Hello, students and tutor. My name is David Alejandro Gonzalez Pinzon. Uh, I am. My group is 901211199. My tutor is Rocío del Pilar Borges. I want to support my work. Homework for expecting tasks. Um, Given the reasons why I chose this company Petrolats Ltd. Is is because it is one of the current and general environments and oil pollution, damage and birds. And considering that oil and its components are the main pollutants in the world. Yes. I will read the letter below. Okay. This is yes. Sears Petrolats Ltd. Reason damage and warnings on environment damage. Receive cordial greeting from us. If is of great importance that you receive or you communicate and attend the rescue and complaints that we as a community, considering the degree part of pollution for its industry focus, and for we demand that reduce the emissions of gas to the emission into atmosphere, and land exploitation is exploitation through an estimate how on activities consecutive benefit on the families in the sector, especially children and elderly. This means to changing your work plan for improved environment conditions. We expect your key reply considering the priority. Cordially, desde Alejandro González Pinzón. Community Spokesperson. Thank you, students and tutor. God bless you.